Hello guys, how to solve the problem of the message "this site can't be reached." This problem faces most of us when opening some websites on Google. Even though the internet or Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine without any issues, the problem still appears. As you can see now, this website is not opening. It shows the error "this site can't be reached." If we reload the website again, the problem continues, and the site still refuses to open. In today's video, we will explain 5 solutions, 5 powerful methods to solve this problem permanently. If you search on the internet, you won't find anyone explaining all of these methods together based on real experience. So it is very important that you watch the video until the end, because every second is literally very important. Before we start the explanation, I hope you like the video, because you will really like it. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to activate the bell on all so you receive all tutorials immediately. Now, let's start. The first method, and it is one of the most successful ways to solve this problem. This method is based on my personal experience. We will change the default DNS to Google DNS. Most internet devices use the default DNS server, and this causes many problems, such as this issue, or a privacy error problem, or an unsecure connection. And surely all of us have faced this problem, so it is better to switch to the Google DNS server. This server also helps speed up the internet and solve website problems that we might encounter. All you have to do is open the control panel. If you're a beginner and don't know how to open it, press the Windows key plus R on the keyboard. Type Control, then press OK. Or right-click on the Windows button if you're using Windows 10. Then choose Control Panel. If you're using Windows 7, click on the Start menu, then choose Control Panel. After the window opens, choose Network and Internet. Then Network and Sharing Center. And click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter. Select Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Then click Properties. Activate the option Use the following DNS server addresses. In the first field, type 8.8.8.8. In the second field, type 8.8.4.4. Then click OK, and click OK again. Now, reload the website. You will find that it opens normally. The second method is very easy. It can solve problems like "this site can't be reached" or privacy errors. This method is clearing data on the browser. Every browser stores data from the websites you visit. Over time and with heavy use, this data may become corrupted, and then these problems appear. To apply this method, go to History or press Ctrl+H. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time, then click Clear Data. After the data is deleted, try opening the website again. The third method, one of the strongest solutions, using Flush DNS. The operating system stores website data to speed up browsing. But with accumulation of this data, problems may appear. So we must clear the DNS cache. Search for CMD, right-click, choose Run as Administrator, or press Windows plus R. Type CMD. Then press OK. Then type the following command, ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. When you see the message that the operation was completed successfully, reload the website. You will find that it works. The fourth solution, temporarily disable antivirus programs. Some security programs may block certain websites and consider them unsafe. That is why the message "this site can't be reached" appears. Go to the taskbar, click the small arrow, right-click the antivirus program, choose Exit or Disable temporarily, or disable protection for a specific period. Then try opening the website again. The fifth solution,
Using a VPN. The website may be blocked by the internet service provider or restricted for other reasons, so you can use any VPN extension or program. Now, we have explained 5 powerful solutions. It is better to try one method after another until you find the one that works for you. And finally, if you like the video, press like. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. Activate the bell on all so you receive all tutorials immediately. And if you have any problem, write it in the comments, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you.